Hey everyone, I'm Mike and welcome back to Outdoor Adventuring Gear. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you this cool little portable campfire by Radiate. This is another one of those cool little products that the missus bought for me years ago. I kept it for about a year, then slowly started using it here and there whenever I needed it. But I realized I was using it so many times and I had not put a video out on it yet. So I wanted to get it in one of my camps. I took it out on my new truck camp setup with a hammock. I'll put a link to the video, guys, so you can take a look at it, so you can see how good it worked in that. And then I said, I got to put a dedicated video up to this because it's really something that I think a lot of people out there are going to resonate with. I think a lot of people are going to want this, and it has so many extra uses that I've just come to appreciate that and use here at home. This can is 4 inches in width, about 2.5 inches in depth or height, or whatever you want to call. Comes in a nice little tin. This tin is reusable, of course, not only for the campfire, but when you use everything up inside of it, you're going to have a nice little tin to keep for anything you want if you like to recycle things like I do. Now, also about this, it only weighs 13 ounces. My scale, it actually weighs 12.4. They do have different sizes of this. Like I said, this is 4 inches, but they also offered 8 inches, which is considered their XL. Basically, it's just a little bit heavier, gives you a little bit longer run time. On my 4-inch, they said the run time is about 2 hours. You can get 2 hours, I guess, to it won't light. I haven't got there yet because although I used it camping, I've also used it at home. And I guess all my accumulated time, I haven't reached 2 hours on it yet, or it goes longer because it was a little iffy on their website. I saw 2 hours up to 3 hours. And on the bigger ones, it was 3 hours up to almost 8 hours. But there it is, the little tin. I do like when you open it up. It looks weird. Tell me what you guys think when you first saw that. Now, when I first saw this and it was filled up a little more with the wax, this part, it looked like 2 dog biscuits in there and like a bunch of water or something when it was sitting down flat. But they call this the briquettes because this is what actually lights, and of course the wax keeps it lit. And basically it's pretty much that, guys. It's just a portable, nice little campfire that you can take with you wherever you need to take or want to have a fire. It sounds simple, right? But it has so many extra applications that even I wasn't aware of. This does not replace a campfire, okay? You're not going to get all the heat, everything you get out of a huge campfire. And if you guys are like me, we like having a nice campfire at our campsites. This is meant for ambiance, and you can cook off it. I have cooked hot dogs off this and marshmallows just once, but you're not going to get a full meal from this, and it's not going to put out a ton of heat. Even in the dead of winter, you might get enough out of it just to keep your hands warm. Basically, it's to have a portable campfire with you when you need it. Now I'm going to talk about all the other applications for this that just blew me out of the water. Let me put the lid back on. Very easy, guys. Slide it on, close it. It's just that easy to put the fire out too, and I'll show you that. At home, I've been using this when I wanted to go sit outside when it was nice weather. It's hot now, but when it was cooler weather and I wanted to go out for a little bit, maybe sit outside for an hour, maybe have an adult beverage, just relax, unwind, come down from the workday, or come down from anything else that was stressing me out. And I didn't want to have a huge fire or use up a lot of wood. I would take this outside, sit in one of our chairs, put this on the ground, light it, and I could sit back and have that ambiance for a while. I really liked that option it gave me. Or a campsite. You're out having a camp with maybe friends or family, get up in the morning, you want to have a little fire, you can pop this out, light it. You're not going to bother a lot of people, and also you're not going to use up all your wood. Remember, no wood for this. You don't need any wood, no mess, nothing like that. Also, I think this thing has a great purpose as a backup for emergency, maybe in an emergency kit or in a truck, just because I don't know how long this will store. It's just wax. Wax is going to store a long time. You're going to be able to put this in your emergency kit and have it when you need it. I'm going to buy another one of these. When I got this, and I had this on my wish list, it was $24.99, and that was several years ago. Guys, they're offering a huge discount right now. I think they're going for $10 for the 4-inch one. So if you even thought about having one of these in the future, I'd highly recommend picking one of these up. You're going to be surprised at how many other times you'll use this when it never struck you that you might want to have a campfire. Another option this gives you, let's say you're at your campsite, pouring rain, can't have a fire. Some people do have a hard time starting a fire in the rain. I totally understand, especially if your wood is wet. Pop this bad boy out under a tarp. You've got a nice little campfire, a nice little ambiance thing to get you through to when you can get some dry wood lit. Also, this is nice. Let's say you're in a nice place with friends. You want to sit down at a picnic table. You can put this up on the center of your picnic table, and you've got a tabletop little campfire. Everybody can sit around and talk. I also see this as something people can probably take with them. Put it in your fishing bag. You're out on your boat. Hit the shore for a little bit. You want to take a break. Pop a cool one out. Put this down. You got a nice little fire and taking a break from fishing. The lid back on, fire is out. Get back, and you go. It's just so many options with this that I think a lot of people don't realize. I thought of it only one thing, and I've used it for at least 10 other things since I've gotten it. Because of the wick style it is, you're not going to like this from a ferro rod, but very easy to light. Pop the top off. Okay, that's all it took. I usually keep it in one spot, but as that flame starts to spread, it's going to fill that whole briquette, and then you're going to have a nice fire. I'm going to put this out. Of course, I'm at home, but I just want you guys to be able to see that. Fire in the palm of your hand. Flame starting to catch on. Just like any other wax candle, the flame will start to move around and take up the whole wick. But if I don't want to do it anymore, just slide it on. That easy, guys. That's why I like it. To have this nice little portable campfire, small campfire. I will get the 8-inch one, guys, and I might put a short up or something about that, just because I want to see the features that it offers as far as maybe heat disbursement and maybe flame size. This one delivers, does what it promised at a great price, and it gives you a lot more options for use. And very easy to put in a backpack too, if you don't mind carrying an extra 12 to 13 ounces. Do not burn this inside like I just did the show for demonstration purposes, but what a nice little product. Portable Campfire by Radiate. I like it. Also, to put in real quick, Radiate makes this. All this stuff inside is recyclable and made in the USA. I'll talk to you guys again real soon. Bye for now.